If you get an alert from Google to change your password, should you be worried? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and if you're getting security alerts from Google on your iPhone, your account may be at risk of hackers attempting to get in. Now, it doesn't always mean the worst has happened, as sometimes your account will think you logging in on another device is suspicious activity. But if you have not logged into your Google account on a new phone or computer, or while you're on vacation or somewhere new, you should immediately change your password. Now, if you continue to get suspicious activity alerts, it could mean that hackers are continuing to attempt to breach into your account. If this is the case, your first step is to clear your cache and cookies. You can do this on the Google Chrome app on your iPhone by opening Chrome, click the three dots in the corner, and then tapping Clear Browsing Data. You can check off three options here: browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files, and clear it all by tapping Clear Browsing Data. Next, you should check if any of your passwords have been leaked in a data breach. Go back to Chrome and search Google, then tap your profile icon on the top right and tap Manage Your Google Account. Tap the Security tab and then scroll down to where it says Signing In to Other Sites. Tap Password Manager and then tap Go to Password Checkup. Tap Check Passwords and you'll need to verify that it's you by signing in again. But then it'll scan for any compromised passwords. My top tips for avoiding your password being compromised: number one, never use the same password for different account logins. Number two, avoid writing your password down somewhere where someone's going to find it. Finally, install a trusted password manager. I've rated my top ones over at cyberguy.com. Just search Password Manager, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.